Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at zinc and its compounds. Zinc occurs naturally as zinc blende, zinc sulfide, and calamine, zinc triisocarbonate 4. It does not occur freely in nature. Physical properties of zinc. Zinc is a white lustrous metal. It is ductile and malleable between 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. Its specific gravity or relative density is 7.1. It melts at 419 degrees Celsius and boils at 910 degrees Celsius. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Chemical properties of zinc. Reaction with air. Zinc tarnishes immersed air to form a thin protective layer of zinc oxide and basic zinc triisocarbonate 4, which protects the metal against further attack by the atmospheric gases. Reaction with acids. Zinc dissolves slowly in dilute hydrochloric acid and tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. The rate of reaction of zinc with acids is greatly increased by the presence of impurities in the metal. We're going to be stopping here. In subsequent classes, we'll look at the electronic configuration of the first transition series. Then we'll move down to other things like alloys and thereabouts. Thank you. God bless you. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you.